AB got that system.
Endocrine in my body, made up of glands that produce. Told them they be regulating the activities. Took an organ, body be growing. Metabolism, physical and chemical. Sexual development, they be working on that function. I have two types of gland. Endocrine be fluidless, just like this flow is hella clueless. Substances be releasing directly into the bloodstream, rushing forward. Where the hell are they located? They be in the brain, also in the neck and lungs. This that gland place. Where the hell are they located? They be in the brain, also in the neck and lungs. This that gland place. Hermes, he got that sneak 100. Hormones be serving at their peak freak, acting like they be messaging at MySpace, controlling and coordinating, acting like they had a freaking race. Specialist cells, usually within an endocrine gland. Why is this ice cold and bland?